Hello YouTube, this is CC Elevate Tour, and well, today, no, not today, because today is Monday. Yesterday afternoon at, well, it was about 2:15, and it was just one of the weirdest things that has ever happened to me. I mean, it's just, whenever I think about it, I get a freaking chill run right up my spine. I mean, so, I'm just gonna make this quick. Because the more I think about it, the more it freaks me out, for whatever reason. Basically, what happened was, I was watching ESPN Sunday NFL Countdown, kind of getting ready for the conference championship games, and yeah, like I said, around 2:15, I heard it was like, well, there was a couple quick sounds, one a few seconds right after the other. The first sound that I heard was basically white noise over top of the people talking. It was almost like over the top of them, and I just more like over the top of them talking. Well, you know what white noise sounds like. If your cable has ever gone out and you've been trying and you turned on your TV and all you can see is snow, but there was no snow on the TV. Cause I was watching, and it was like right where I am now. I was watching my TV, and I was modding my Nerf Raven, which I got the other day, and basically, yeah. So I heard that first little quick, white noise. Then a few seconds later, I heard another sound. It sounded about a second and a half or so worth. Now this one I can't do an impression, but I have a pretty good memory of like what it sounded like, and I'm gonna kind of describe it. I mean, there's two ways I can describe it. It almost sounded like interference, because it was like the white noise, but then there was a sound over top of it. The sound that was over top of it was the same duration as the white noise was. I mean, all it was this high-pitched sound. The best way I can describe the sound was, well, anyone who's ever had an with an older TV. You're trying to watch TV. Your wife or girlfriend was vacuuming, and like the TV kind of gets fuzzy. The picture gets fuzzy, and you can hear the vacuum itself running, but then you can also hear the vacuum. Hear the vacuum through the speakers of the TV. That's almost what it sounded like. Was kind of like kind of like that, or something like that, almost. And basically, or another way that I could describe it would be, if you're listening to AM radio and you're listening to the music radio and you can hear like kind of like different weird sounds over top of the people talking. That's kind of like what this was. So, I don't know, I mean, I asked people in the building, and even my parents, if they noticed anything like that. And no, none of them did. So, I don't know if this, I don't know, I'm assuming it would have been more widespread. But I really don't know what it would have been. If anyone who sees this video has any ideas, please post a comment down below. And I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of comments saying, "You're crazy, man." And I'm like, and all I have to say is, no, I'm not. I know what I heard. Oh, God. Actually, and then every once in a while after that happened, like throughout the whole rest of the afternoon, like, well, at least when I was watching the playoff game on the championship game on CBS between the Baltimore Ravens and the New England Patriots, I just kind of hear like the intermittent, intermittent 1 second fragments of white noise. So, oh God, it just, I mean, whatever it was, whether it was like, well, no matter what it was, it just, I would just like to know what it was, because I've never had anything like give me the heebie-jeebies like that. And no, I know it's not a ghost or anything like that, or anything like supernatural, like a ghost or a poltergeist, because I didn't hear voices in the white noise. I just heard the intermittent white noise, and then the high-pitched sound with the white noise. So, I decided to make this little video and kind of ask what you guys thought it was. And also, especially if you had any similar experiences. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching.